Hi everyone, and welcome to AI Shift Hub. Today, we're diving into a really important topic, the common mistakes people make when using AI. Artificial intelligence has made content creation faster and easier than ever before. It's a game changer, but many people make critical mistakes when using it. Mistakes that can seriously reduce the quality, accuracy, and trust in their work. In this video, we'll cover the 10 most common mistakes people make when generating content with AI, and more importantly, how you can avoid them to use this technology professionally and responsibly. Let's begin. First up, at number 1, relying on AI without understanding the output. This is probably the biggest and most frequent mistake we see. People blindly trust whatever an AI model generates, and that's a recipe for disaster. Why? Because AI can and does produce incorrect facts, outdated information, and sometimes completely incomplete explanations. You have to remember, AI doesn't know things in the way a human does. It's a prediction engine, generating text based on patterns it learned from a massive data set. It's not a fact checker. So how do you avoid this pitfall? It's simple, but it requires discipline. Always, and I mean always, review AI-generated content. Take the time to verify any facts, figures, or claims from reliable, independent sources. Think of AI as your super-fast research assistant, not as a replacement for your own critical judgment and expertise. Your brain is still the most important tool in the process. The second mistake is using AI without giving clear instructions. Many users will type in a vague, one-sentence prompt and then get frustrated when the results are less than perfect. For example, a prompt like, "Write a video script about AI" is far too broad. What kind of video? Who is it for? What's the tone? The AI has to guess, and when it guesses, you get generic, unfocused, and low-quality output that isn't useful for anyone. The solution here is to become a master of prompting. Be incredibly specific. Define the tone you want. Is it professional, casual, funny? Specify the length, a 30-second short or a 10-minute deep dive. Who is your audience? Beginners or experts? What is the purpose of the content? The more detailed your instructions, the better the output will be. Remember this simple rule. Clear input leads to clear output. Moving on to mistake number 3, ignoring ethical and responsible use. This is a big one. Some people intentionally or unintentionally use AI to create misleading, copied, or even harmful content. This can manifest as making false claims to sell a product, misrepresenting information to fit a narrative, or simply passing off unoriginal, plagiarized material as their own. Why does this matter so much? Because using AI unethically absolutely demolishes your credibility. Once you lose trust with your audience, it's incredibly difficult to get it back. Plus, you could be violating platform policies, which can get your content taken down or your account suspended. To avoid this, use AI to assist your creative process, not to deceive your audience. Always add your own original insight, analysis, and human review. And finally, make sure you are following the community guidelines and ethical standards of whatever platform you're on. Next, mistake number 4. Publishing AI content without any editing. Raw AI output often sounds, well, robotic. It can be repetitive, clunky, or just plain unnatural. Some common signs of unedited AI text include overly formal or academic language when it's not appropriate, the same phrases or sentence structures used over and over, and a noticeable lack of personality or voice. So, how do you fix this? You have to become a good editor. Edit every single piece of AI-generated content for clarity, flow, and tone. Adjust the wording to sound like a real person, like you. One of the best tips I can give you is to read the content out loud before you publish it. Your ear will catch awkward phrasing that your eyes might miss. It's this human refinement that transforms generic AI output into valuable, engaging content. At number 5, we have the mistake of expecting AI to be perfect every time. AI is an incredibly powerful technology, but it is not flawless. It's not magic. A lot of new users fall into the trap of assuming that AI is always accurate, or that it understands context and nuance as well as a human. This is simply incorrect. It will make mistakes, it will misunderstand your intent, and sometimes it will produce complete nonsense. The key to avoiding frustration is to adjust your expectations. Treat AI as a draft generator. It's there to give you a starting point, a first pass that you can then build upon. Expect to have to refine, correct, and improve the results. The most effective workflow is one that combines the speed and efficiency of AI with the critical reasoning and creativity of a human. Mistake number 6 is a classic productivity killer: using AI without a clear goal. Generating content just for the sake of it, without knowing its ultimate purpose, is a massive waste of time and energy. We see this all the time. Content created without a target audience in mind, videos that ramble on without a clear message, or scripts that end without a clear call to action for the viewer. To avoid this, take a step back before you even open an AI tool. Ask yourself a few simple but crucial questions. Who is this content for? What problem am I solving for them? And what specific action do I want them to take after they've watched or read it? Whether it's subscribing, visiting a website, or just learning something new, having a clear goal will guide every prompt you write and every edit you make. This brings us to mistake number 7: overusing AI and losing your authenticity. When every single word, idea, and sentence is generated by AI, your content can start to feel sterile, impersonal, and robotic. And in a crowded digital world, audiences crave connection. They value an authentic voice, a unique human perspective, and stories from real experience. So how do you prevent your content from becoming soulless? The key is to blend AI assistance with your personal insight. Don't just take the AI's output and hit publish. Add your own stories, your own examples, your own opinions, and your own explanations. Let AI be the support structure that helps you build your creative vision, not the machine that replaces it. Your voice is your unique advantage. Don't let AI silence it. Number 8 is a more technical mistake, but it's crucial: not learning how AI actually works. Misunderstanding the fundamental nature of AI leads to unrealistic expectations and improper use. Many people think AI can think, feel, or understand intent like a human. It cannot. It's a sophisticated pattern-matching system, not a conscious being. It's not thinking, it's calculating probabilities. To avoid this, you don't need a PhD in computer science, but it helps to learn the basic limitations of the technology. Understand that AI predicts patterns, it doesn't verify truth. Once you grasp this, you'll be able to use it much more effectively and appropriately within its limits, leveraging its strengths without falling for its weaknesses. Mistake number 9 is a battle between quantity and quality. Some creators get so excited by the speed of AI that they focus on producing enormous amounts of content as quickly as possible. But churning out hundreds of low-effort, AI-generated articles or videos often results in low engagement, reduced trust from your audience, and very poor long-term growth. People can spot low-value content from a mile away. The solution is a mindset shift. Prioritize quality and usefulness above all else. Focus on creating value for your audience, not just filling a content calendar. Use AI as a tool to enhance the quality of your work, to help you research deeper, write faster, and explore more creative angles, not as a shortcut to rush out mediocre output. One great piece of content is worth more than 100 forgettable ones. And finally, the 10th and final mistake: forgetting that AI is a tool, not a strategy. AI alone does not guarantee success. It's a powerful tool, maybe one of the most powerful ever created, but it's still just a tool. True success comes from having clear goals, developing strong ideas, and consistently improving your craft. So how do you avoid this? The answer is to build a solid strategy first. Know who you're trying to reach and what you want to achieve. Then use AI to execute that strategy faster and smarter. Stay involved in the creative process from beginning to end. AI is the co-pilot, but you are still the captain of the ship. So to wrap things up, AI is one of the most powerful tools available to creators today. But the real advantage doesn't come from simply using AI. It comes from using AI wisely. When you combine its power with your own human judgment, your ethics, and your creativity, AI can dramatically improve your work and unlock new possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the AI Shift Hub for more content just like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Write a comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've seen people make when using AI? Thanks for watching.